to another day of the vlog. Today is a Sunday. I literally just came back from the mall, so I just want to do a quick unboxing of the things that I got at home store. So when I did coffee the other day, or the cappuccino the other day, I realized that those cups were actually not cappuccino cups. Well, they are if you are doing a double shot, but if you're doing a single shot of espresso, I don't think they're really cappuccino cups. They're a bit too big. So I got myself 2 cappuccino cups from the at-home store. They come with a saucer. So basically this is the set, and this retails for 60 rand. So I got 2 of these. Literally no need for me to unbox the other one, but this is just what it looks like. Love it. And then I also got this from the at-home store. As much as I did buy a coffee machine, I am more of a tea lover, so I got, basically this is Rooibos. So it's a Rooibos espresso, 10 capsules, and I think you can get this from at home and Checkers, not really too sure, but I got it at the at-home store, and this is 80 bucks for 10 capsules. So I don't know, we're gonna do a taste test. And then I also got some syrup. This is the vanilla syrup. So yeah, that is okay. I also got a charging cable, but I just got this from the Chinese store because I was having a problem with my phone charging cable. But yeah, that is it. Just wanted to come show you dolls that I will be doing or making the Rooibos espresso with you dolls, so we can do a taste test. But that is all that I got for now. Today is wig wash day. I'm going to be washing 2 of my wigs, and I'll probably show you dolls how to wash your wigs multiple times on this channel before. However, this wig wash routine is going to be a bit different. There is something that I changed a bit. However, the wash and the conditioning process is still going to be the same, and I don't know if I told you dolls, but I've completely cut off shampoo with washing my wigs. I now use a cold wash because it's more gentle and moisturizing for your wigs. The shampoo does strip a lot of the shine and natural oils from the wigs. So like I said, the conditioning and the washing of the wig is basically going to stay the same. So this is the co-wash and this is the conditioner, and honestly a co-wash is almost the same as conditioner, so it's basically like washing your wig with a conditioner, and then I still do condition the wig after that. And yeah, I'm going to be showing you the other products as we go, but these are the two wigs that I'm going to be washing for today. This Vietnamese bone straight bob and this brown wig, which is also a Vietnamese bone straight. I've had this since late last year and I have not washed it before. Honestly, it does not move as it used to. It is a good quality wig, so it is still gonna have a bit of movement, but it honestly does not flow like it flowed when I first got it. So yeah, that's the reason that I decided to wash this. It also smells so much like the last perfume that I wore on my previous vlog. So yeah, I feel like we need a fresh start. So yeah, let's wash my babies. Now I'm going to be rinsing the conditioner off. This is where things take a bit of a turn. For my mask, I'm going to be using the Carseal mask and then the Nature's Nourishment Argan Oil. I'm also going to be mixing these two with a bit of macadamia nut oil. And I've already mixed the three products in here. So I'm going to be applying this on both the wigs and then putting each of the wigs in a plastic bag, and then I'm basically gonna boil the hairs or steam the hairs like I would with steamed bread. I am gonna be showing you dolls how I'll be doing that, so let's just continue with the wig wash. boiling the wigs for about 30 minutes, letting it cool down on its own, rinsing it with cool water, and then letting the wigs air dry. And basically that is about the whole wash routine. And then I'm probably just going to show you dolls how or what the wigs look like once dry. I know you'd all saw my nails at the beginning of the vlog. They look atrocious, and honestly I'm not really in a mood to do them, but I do know that I somehow just need to get them done so that I can look decent and like a lady. But I do, like, I'm short of nail stuff. I don't have acetone and a few other things, so I'm just gonna go to town to the nail store and get a few nail supplies. So I don't go shooting where your heart beat, 'cause you take a bullet trying to save me, and that's a whole lot of love ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping. That's how I control this feeling. You keep giving, you keep on getting it. So we back, we got some bunny chows, and this is what we're going to be having for lunch. So basically this is our lunch. I also went to Mr. Price home, and then I got my nail stuff. So let me quickly eat my lunch, and then I'll be back to show you dolls some of the things that I bought. I actually decided to show you the things that I got before eating, because I feel like once I'm done eating I won't have energy. But from Mr. Price home I got, I honestly don't know what to call this, but let me take it out of the bubble wrap and then quickly show you what it looks like. So this is what I got from Mr. Price home. It actually looks smaller than it looked on the pictures. I expected it to be bigger because I first saw it online, but it retails for 130. This is basically just a water container that you can place next to your bed, and then the lid is a cup. So this is what it looks like. We got two because my aunt got one for herself and then got one for me. And then from the nail supply store I got some acetone. I got these diamond thingies. Got some blooming gel. I got a pink gel. A pink gel. I got a pink, what do you call it, a pink rubber base. And then I also got burgundy. Also got burgundy because we are burgunding. And then I also got this modeling gel. This is what it looks like. This is what you use to do those 3D flowers. I got a dotting tool, 2 filers, and I don't know, these gold nail accessories. And basically that is it for our mini haul. I'm quickly just going to eat my food and relax for the rest of the day, the evening actually, because it's, I don't know what time it is, but it's probably past 5. So I'm just gonna be chilling for the rest of the evening. So I just came back to show you dolls the results of the wigs. and end the vlog. So this is what the bob looks like. Honestly, I did not make it as flat as I could at the top, but I think it's also my old wig lines that's making it a bit bulky. But this is what it looks like. I just straightened it, and this is what the brown wig looks like. I still need to straighten this, but this is what it looks like before straightening. So yeah, I just wanted to come and show you dolls the outcomes of the wig and wrap up the vlog like I said. So I hope you dolls enjoyed this vlog. Please do not forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe, and I'll see you dolls on the next one.